To finish off in part 7, I'd like to look at one more advanced thing with saber. In a previous module, we looked at how to express could have or should have. And something that can be quite useful to be able to say in Spanish is, I should have known, from your angle and all the other angles as well. So let's work through it step by step. First of all, we have I should, which we know is debería. And we get the should have with debería haber. And then I should have known would be debería haber sabido. Here you can see that we are again using this past participle. So that's the formula, debería haber sabido. I should have known. If that module on could have and should have is still fresh in your mind, I wonder if you can work out or remember how you would say now, you should have known. Deberías haber sabido. He, she, or it should have known. Debería haber sabido. We should have known. Deberíamos haber sabido. They should have known. Deberían haber sabido. Lastly, I'd like to try kind of an advanced example of how we could use this, and I'm expecting that most of you probably won't get this right. If you do get this following question right, it means that you really have absorbed deeply what we've learned so far in the course. How would you say, I should have known it wasn't going to be good? The answer is, debería haber sabido que no iba a ser bueno. Now this is quite a sophisticated sentence. First of all, we have our handle, I should have, debería haber, and known, sabido. So I should have known, debería haber sabido, that it wasn't going. Here we have the was going or wasn't going, que no iba. And then to be, we have to choose between ser or estar, and the correct one is ser bueno. The reason is because if you want to say it's good, that would be es bueno. It wouldn't be like we would go into the ser side, just taking it back to its basic beginning. Okay, so es bueno. So for that reason, you would finish off with ser here, to be good, because we're on that side. So debería haber sabido que no iba a ser bueno. Now, as I mentioned, that's quite a sophisticated sentence, but the point is that you do actually have enough power in Spanish to create that level of sophistication now, but it all depends on how well you're retaining and absorbing the information that we've been through so far. So as always, it's very good to go back and revise whenever you feel that you need to, because if you rush forward too quickly, what you'll find is that it's all going to fall apart. You're going to get lost in the complexity. So this was just a little reminder to you that it's very good to have a habit of going back and revising things on a consistent basis in order to make sure that your foundation is remaining relatively solid, especially as we push forward into more and more advanced things in Spanish.